This is the new ESKUTE mid-motored bike. Okay, now we have everything out of the box. As you can see, all of the accessories that come with the bike. There's a few things we need to do before the bike's ready. First, undo these 2 screws. And then we need to turn around all the way, facing forward. Before putting the bars on, we need to make sure this is facing straight and is in the right position. Okay, then tighten. 1, 2, and number 3. Okay, to put the bars on here, we need to loosen these 4 screws and take this off. Okay, after you've taken off all the screws, we now need to position the handlebars this way. Make sure the screen's facing towards the rider. When the bars are in place, you can then put the 4 screws back in. Okay, now we need to remove this long bolt. This is only for packaging. So we need to remove this and then we can position the wheel into place. Out the box, the wheel comes with some more packaging to just protect the wheel. So we need to remove these and then throw them away. Okay, now it's time to put the wheel inside. So when you put the wheel inside, make sure this brake pad is either side of the disc brake. Okay, now insert the long quick release bolt through the hub of the wheel. Be sure that we have 2 springs, one either side of the wheel. So make sure that goes there, and then we can then tighten the nut on top. Now it's time to attach the mudguard. So first start with these 2 screws, one each side. You need to remove those. And then on the other side. And then insert the mudguard through this way, through the forks, over the wheel, and then position into place. And we have this middle screw, we just take this off. Use that Allen key if you need to. And then position, we have either side of the bolt. Position the mudguard, and then you can start to tighten it up. But also we need to add the light onto the front. So position the light, and then once that's in place, we can then put the mudguard on the back side, just using the bolts provided. Okay, once you've finished putting on all of the wheel and the mudguard, it's now time to put the pedal onto the bike. So on the bike, on the pedal, we have R, which means for right, and L for left. Okay, position the pedal, and then you can just use your fingers to tighten onto the bike. And when your fingers aren't strong enough anymore, we can then use the spanners provided. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And then the same again, just turn the bike around and then you can attach the left pedal. And then for the left side, you need to do the opposite of the other side. So lefty is tighty. So now it's time to try charging the bike. To charge the bike, you can do it two ways, with the battery on the bike, or you can take the battery off, which I'll show you afterwards. So just take the plug, insert into the battery, and then you'll see the light will turn red to show that it's charging. Okay, now it's just time to check the battery. Just press the power button and you should see the lights come on the screen. And you can also check the front light. If you hold the button for the light, you'll see the screen will light up, and then on the front of the bike we have the light down here. So after you've done all of these things, the bike is now complete.